Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use version history in Google Docs. This feature lets you view older versions of your document, track changes, and even restore previous edits. It's one of the most useful tools for collaboration and document recovery. So let's get started. First, open your document in Google Docs. Now go to the top menu and click File. Then hover over Version History and click See Version History. You can also click this icon on the top right corner of Google Docs. As you can see, a panel opens on the right side of the screen. This shows all the saved versions of your document along with the date and time of each edit and the people who made the changes. If I click one of the older versions, Google Docs highlights exactly what was changed in that version. This is really useful for tracking edits or recovering deleted content. Now let's say I want to go back to an older version. At the top of the screen, click the Restore This Version. Google Docs will bring back that exact version of the document. But don't worry, your new versions are still saved too, so nothing is permanently lost. You can also rename important versions. Click the three dots beside a version and select Name This Version. This helps organize major drafts or important edits. Version history is perfect for teamwork, editing, and protecting your work from accidental mistakes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.